up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
So ladies and gentlemen, yo.
We got the same mother, we have the same father.
And them going like him older than me. You know, okay.
He's the oldest.
You actually like we're twins or something. No, you should be setting a better example. You should be setting a better example for his kid. No, watch it from there, so cheers.
You want me to start the vlog? Oh, I light in here, me blind. So right now, vlogger over there, and I mean, K in the building. You know what I mean? K, I say, oh, we have beds in the building. You know what I mean? And the last time, we enjoyed it. When they enjoy it, the last time when they love it so much, and I say we need for the more of them, something I would need for the more cookings. Me see whole heap of people that comment and say, I'm a baby father that. Me see woman that say, yeah, me love him. Me see people that comment and say, be something. You're not read the comment section. On the vlog, you need to go read it. We have the boss in that building.
Yo,
Chef. Yeah,
everybody going right now. Everybody say,
it's 6.
me I leave me done.
Yes.
Excuse the IP now here a little while ago. You have to say Jake's name with a little accent.
Yeah. Jake's?
Yeah.
JJ in that place.
Stop. Say something in British. What's a Chef Jake's with daddy? What's something for?
Birthday boy in the place, Andrew right there, you know, skinning out this day. 30. This a brother just wait to get drunk.
We're wait for Jake. So, we both forget Nick right now on this pre-birthday turn up. This today my birthday, but not really my birthday. My birthday is the whole of the month. And then
May I say, if you feel giant, it hurts strong, you know.
Yeah.
You know about that bad thing about to go on in the kitchen.
What thing go on? You don't know Jake's a chef now. Jake's a chef. Hold on, stop, put on that.
You're right. There, man.
Can't start now without your apron, brother. You cannot start without your apron, dog.
Okay, let me just do it good as well.
Right?
before I would really prepare this.
You well prepare, I put on the apron, man. Cooking can't start if the apron not gone.
See it?
You're ready now.
And the way I reverse time type myself.
Nobody better not tie that thing.
Not to the back.
Yeah, hold on, it's a boy, you tie your back.
Yeah, man.
You must tie a little pretty boy.
Watch that.
To the people them know, what preparing in the kitchen today?
What we are going to deal with today is bingy.
Missy beer something. Missy beer something.
No, I still have go over.
Missy beer something.
Yes, before 8 o'clock on top of the car.
Oh, so do so quick then.
I'm earth chunks, so watch out. I deal with some Irish potato. Some. Oh. Got to make sure we craft mac and cheese, some baked mac and cheese.
Some baked macaroni and cheese.
And some baked Irish potato. See me and we over here some
veg.
lettuce.
I chew the man go visit the Umbria Miami what day, you know, that's why I'm talk about date.
Bake it!
Yeah, man, buy salad dressing.
Yeah.
What is it? Cheese with the macaroni.
See me and
Rice and peas.
sweet corn and gungo rice and peas again now.
Gungo rice and peas. That's a gungo rice and peas.
Yeah, but gungo rice and peas. Brother, please part the vlog for me, because I not say this on the vlog.
Yeah, we have a party vlog for me.
And then
Yo, vlogger, big yeah, mad man.
Make the vlog.
Yeah, yo, big yeah, mad man, Jakes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's it. Before a commercial break.
Let's make it stay by the commercial.
No, it's before the commercial.
Yeah.
Last week, we never did have avocado.
Oh.
Yeah.
This week, we have it.
Yeah.
Oh, nobody couldn't get the big up here.
Only that man. Be a swimmer.
Yeah, man. There's some swimmers call these red snapper fillets or steak. Steak. We want to make swimmers with steak. And then we have bird flu for the bird eater.
So, what you are doing? Jerk chicken?
No, you know, me can't really do them something there, you know. Me have to do the real jerk, you know, on the real jerk pan.
Oh, so where I make now?
So, right now, me never know, you probably just bake it.
Yeah, probably. I use this thing.
Bake it.
So Jake's are doing this one. We say baked potato.
Yeah, man.
Baked potato, baked macaroni and cheese. Bungo rice and peas. And we have salad dressing. We dressing. See the dressing there. Not the back is something over there saying this there, the dressing.
Very sure that.
Yeah, we have milk.
I don't want to see what that
Yeah, me attack it dressing.
Yeah.
Oh. If you do what?
Yo, no not talk to Jakes again. Jakes has stopped too much. Me hungry for my birthday. That's why I'm not drunk yet.
Oh yeah, we have to consume.
Yeah.
Trabass have a big sitting in this right
What
so.
there?
VSOP.
That's why
Yeah.
you're supposed to drink from now. You're supposed to drink.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no.
Oh, the pot right now?
Swimmers,
Yeah. That's it right now. The simmers right.
macaroni I go. Yeah. Yeah. Everything on schedule.
Everything on schedule.
I ain't see a drink. So ladies and gentlemen, as you see, it's a new day where we jump off from. Jakes is in the building.
Yo.
Top chef in town. Yo, the food last night was everything. 6.
On the street 6.
Yo, to everybody who wait for the food as alright, everybody knows that Jakes are top chef, so we don't know the food that gonna be 6. So you see as the food done. I try was our first man share.
Yeah.
But because I'm birthday, we make him share first. Trabass our first man share.
And I slap out the swimmers from earlier.
Yeah, every minute the man my teeth out the swimmers them. Bingy, one time I catch Bingy. Ricky a second man share.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ricky a first man done. Bomba.
Me cut up a piece like that on the cutting board. And Mr. Trabass take up one piece and look over dog and just
The whole of and gone. Yeah man. So all of that we never get for vlog after food share and we are consume and all them someday. Since I respect again for forward out and support the vlog, yeah, you know what I mean? And Jakes, what do you have to say to them?
yeah, I say just tune in next time.
Yeah. 6.